Welcome, Lindsay and Mel, to the Ultimate Cooking Challenge. Cut it. Today, you must prepare your best beef stew, but you must answer my questions correctly, or you'll have to cut off one of your body parts and throw it in the stew.
What?
Metaphorically, of course.
Oh, okay, cool.
Challengers, it is simple. Answer the question incorrectly, and you get cut.
Metaphorically, though, right?
Challengers, are we ready? Go! First question is for Mel. What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow?
I don't know that.
Boom! You must tie your hand behind your back for the remainder of the challenge.
Oh, well, that's not that bad.
All right, next question is for Lindsay. If you answer this correctly, Mel has to tie her mouth shut.
What?
What if she needs to taste something?
Question 2. What is your favorite color?
Yellow?
Correct! Tie it up, Mel.
How did they know that?
This is dumb.
Whoa!
Is this too much?
Moving on. Our next question is for Mel. Get this one wrong and you'll have to cut off your finger.
You better get the question right.
How many points are on a triangle?
Oh, three!
Tree? Silly Mel. Incorrect. Now chop off that fingy and throw it in the pot.
Cut it up! Cut it up! Cut it up! Cut it up!
Next question is for Lindsay. If you get this right, Mel has to chop off her foot and put it in the stew. Lindsay, can you tell us how many spines are on a stegosaurus?
Maybe it's between 17 and 22?
Correct! Chop, chop, Mel.
Cut it up! Cut it up! Cut it up! Cut it up!
It is finally time. Let's try these stews. I'm gonna start off with Mel. Beautiful texture.
Woo!
Yeah. Aroma's pretty nice too.
Whoa!
Exquisite. Now, on to Lindsay's. Yes, very good. Woo! That's some good shit. Oh, well done. This is a tough decision, but I think I have a winner. I'm gonna have to go with Mel.